back a year after its release, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is still an impressive smartphone. Despite UK users like myself having to deal with the less powerful Exynos chipset, the phone still delivers great performance. Its display is a standout feature, giving you Quad HD, 120Hz and 1200 nits of peak brightness. The camera system is fine by today's standards, mainly limited by the processing done on the Exynos chipset. I'd argue the main standout feature is that 100x space zoom, which can produce some insanely beautiful shots. The video stabilization is fantastic, but the low light performance is lacking in my opinion. The S22 Ultra had potential. It's powerful, has a stunning display and gorgeous design. Unfortunately, it's let down by its processor, which in turn affects battery life, cameras and overall performance. Issues that have been fixed with the S23 Ultra.